pretties, if the thought of wearing a kimono conjures up images of the Golden Girls, then I've got 3 totally cute, trendy, and wearable ways for you to wear kimonos this spring and summer. So I've collected quite a few kimonos in my closet, I'm not gonna lie. And the reason I love kimonos so much is that they are a lightweight layer that adds massive style impact to your outfit. They give you pattern, they give you color, they give you flair, and they're super easy to throw on over some of the closet basics that you probably already have. I'm gonna be styling 2 different kimonos for you today. This cute little pink floral ruffle sleeve kimono, and also a black and white polka dot kimono. I'm going to show you just how easy to wear and how versatile these pieces can be. All right, so for my first kimono outfit, we're going to call this a dressed up boho look for lunch with friends. So I started out with a few closet staples. I put on this loose flowy tank, which has a little bit of lace detail at the top, and I paired it up with my high waist jeans. So I'm going to go ahead and just do a half tuck on the blouse like that. And then we're gonna throw on this kimono and you're gonna see how easy it is to create an instant outfit. Ta-da, there we go. So I love the just flowy vibe of this. It's perfect again for like lunch with your girlfriends. I even paired it up with these suede mules to give it a little bit more of a boho vibe and give it a little bit of a dressier look. You could certainly also dress this down by pairing it up with a pair of sandals instead of the heels, but you can see that the kimono is absolutely an outfit maker and it totally pulls everything together. All right, so for my casual look, again, we're pairing up some closet basics that you probably already have, plain white tank top and some denim shorts. So we're just gonna throw the kimono on over this, and this is just such a super easy and cute look for summer. Again, I love kimonos in the summer months because they are lightweight. They don't add any heat, but they add a lot of style impact. And it's okay if your kimono's longer than your shorts. That makes you uncomfortable, then you can certainly wear a longer short with it. But add on a pair of Tory Burch flip-flops and you are good to go. For my third look, I'm gonna be pairing up my kimono with a dress. I got this little black dress at Target a few years ago. It was like 20 bucks and I've gotten so much use out of it. It is incredibly versatile. I love that I can pair it up with sneakers like I have on right now, or I can wear it with heels or flip-flops or sandals or whatever, and then just throw on the kimono over top, and again, instant outfit. Now this outfit too, if you're expecting, is really very versatile as a maternity outfit. You could put on a stretchy black dress, throw the kimono on over top, and then you have some comfy shoes for your feet. If your feet are swollen, of course, you can swap them out for sandals, but I love the little bit of a sporty vibe that the sneakers give to this look. I hope you liked this video and found some new ways to style your kimono that doesn't make you feel like a golden girl. If you like this video, please like it and leave me a comment, and I would love it if you would subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks guys, I'll see you next time.